Hello dear students, very good morning to everybody. Let us today we are discussing the part of this stereoisomery of coordination compound. In previous lecture we have studied the part of this is isomerism, that is what geometrical that is structural isomerism, and this is the stereoisomerism. As a part of the stereoisomerism, so that is the two parts of the two types of the stereoisomerism, that is what a geometrical isomerism, and the second part is what a optical isomerism. What is that? Optical isomerism. The phenomenon, this is the explanation, discuss the part of geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism on the basis of the coordination number. So that is the coordination number. What is the coordination number of this is the compound? Because of the presence of the ligand. Number of ligand is present. Total number of the ligand donate to the central metal atom. Electron donate to the central metal atom is nothing but coordination number. तो यहाँ पे coordination number के अकॉर्डिंग ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर एंड ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर को हमको क्या करना है? एक्सप्लेनेशन करना है. इसके ऊपर कंपलसरी एक या दो क्वेश्चन नीट JEE-CET एज वेल एज बोर्ड एग्जाम में आपको पूछा जाता है. तो हम बात करेंगे दिस आर कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर जब 4 है, if the coordination number is 4, if the coordination number is what 6, the coordination number 4, coordination number 2, coordination number 2 होगा, coordination number 3 होगा, तो ये आइसोमरिज्म नहीं बताएगा. So the coordination number 4, whenever the complex having the 4 coordination number, it shows this is the two types of the isomerism. This is what it shows two types of the geometry, tetrahedral geometry and what are square planar geometry. That is the two types of the geometrical isomerism. If the coordination number is 4, here the tetrahedral and square planar. The tetrahedral geometry does not show the square planar geometry. It shows geometrical isomerism. How? The part of this is the geometrical isomerism. For example, we have to Ma4. We have to Ma3b, we have to Ma2b2. So that is the in which this metal atom, this is a A, it is a representation A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever may be. So that is representation. Again what? MABCD. So that is the ABCD, AB, A, and this one. These are the ligands. This M is nothing but metal. So these types of the complex is not shows isomerism. This is not shows isomerism. This shows isomerism. This shows isomerism. So this MABCD I'm talking. This is the MABCD. So that is what we can say M. So that is nothing but writing this M ABCD. So that is what M. You can say this A and this is B, C and D. So again I'm writing this one M. This is A and this is the B, this one is C and this one is D. So can we see the D and C and D is here, C and D is here, A and B is here. So I'm writing this is substitution is what B and A is here. So that is B and C is near to here, D again what A is here. So again what I can change this is what this C is here and D is here. So this C and D is here, okay, that C and D is here, C and D is here, A and B is here. So that is how one of the complex are missing here. What else can say? This is what M A D A B. No. So this is what M A D and B is opposite. So we can say B and this is a C. So these are the complexes we can say. So these complexes shows what are 3 isomerism. So here in this types of the complex it shows 3 isomerism. कितने isomerism देगा ये? 3 isomerism बताएगा. So again I'm talking the next concept is what is Ma3b, Ma2b2. So Ma2b2 we are having just in central metal atom. This one A and this one is A, this is B and this one is B. This another types of the complex we are also M A and here the B and B is here. So that is what I am writing. This is the A and B. This is the A and the B is here. The A and A is opposite, B and B is opposite. So that is for the trans isomerism, and this is for the cis isomerism. AA having the close and AA having the opposite. Cis isomerism, trans isomerism. Here this is the cis isomerism. This is the trans isomerism. So one of the example most important we can say this is the platinum PtCl2 and NH3 taken twice. So these types of the complex which shows that the types of the isomerism, this is a cis isomerism and trans isomerism. So among these, this is what a cis. So the name is nothing but a cisplatin. we can say this cisplatin is nothing but used as an anti-cancer. इसका यूज किया जाता है एंटी कैंसर के ऊपर. So it is act as cisplatin is used as anti-cancer, but transplatin is used as a toxic. So this is a toxic in nature. Transplatin is toxic in nature, but cisplatin it is used as a anti-cancer. So such types of the complexes is having the properties in medicinal as well as the agricultural field. So this is one of the uses or application of the coordination compound. Here these types of the complex does not show the isomerism. This shows the isomerism. This is also not show the isomerism. Ma2B2 shows the isomerism. This shows the two isomerism is added. It is the cis isomerism, trans isomer. It is nothing but geometrical isomer. This is the show. These types of the complex show the two isomerism. Cis and trans is nothing but geometrical isomer. ABCD it shows the three types of the isomerism. Here it is nothing but, okay, say this is platin and transplatin. So this is nothing but a square planar complexes. We can say this PT here and this one is the PT is here. So this is the central metal atoms. We are writing this Cl, and this is what I can. This is NH3, and this one is not NH3. So these are the ligands. These are the ligands. This NH3 same sign cis, and these are the NH3 and NH3 are the opposite side. This is nothing but trans. So this is the trans, and this is cis. This cis isomerism. So that is this one a trans isomerism, and this cis isomerism. It is in the form of square planar complexes. Then we are goes to another types of the example. For example, we are having the CuGly taken twice. Example है ये complex है हमारे पास copper glycine atom. You know that glycine atom it is the ring types of the structure, cyclic ring. It is nothing but what a chelating agent. So that types of the example is the chelating agent. So this is our adding. This is the copper. So coordination number is 4. You can say this is NH2 here. And this one is the NH2 is here. NH2. I'm writing these types of this oxygen atom C double bond O here. This C double bond O, and writing this what again what this oxygen atom and this C double bond O. So these types of this is nothing but a copper glycine atom. This is a cis copper glycine atom. I'm writing this is what a cis CuGly taken twice. See this is the cis copper glycine atom. So another types of the example we discuss. This is the what a cis isomer, another this opposite of the cis isomer. I'm writing CO. So this is the 4 coordination number. This NH2 is here and this NH2 is here. This opposite to each other, oxygen opposite to each other. These types of the complex is formed. This is nothing but a C. Here these atoms are group of atoms. This glycine atom C double bond O. Writing this what a C double bond O. This is C double bond O. So these types of the complex is nothing but a trans. This is nothing but a transglycine atom. This is the transglycine atom. This is the cisglycine atom. So these types of the complex it shows geometrical isomerism having coordination number is a 4. Then we are goes to what this is the coordination. If the coordination number is what? For example, another types of the complex. The types of what? You can say PTCl, bromine atom, and you can say the iodine, and here the water molecule. So these types of the complex. Again, we can take this again. Platinum is here, so that is chlorine. This bromine, and you can say this is the ammonia, and this is the water. So these types of the complex it shows the 3 isomerism. These types of the complex it also shows 3 isomerism. This is the types of the part of this nothing but what? This one is the metal and this one is the metal having the different ligand. How many ligand? This 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 4 ligand is there. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4. But this is how the types of the ligand. We can say this is the M metal A, B, C, D. These types of the different ligand is there. The types of what? Different ligand is there. So these types of the complex it shows 3 different isomerism. So and next part is that I am talking. This is the part of the next isomerism. So what is the part of isomerism? If the coordination number is 6, there is what a coordination number 6. We are talking. This is the coordination number 6. That is what coordination number 6 is there. Whenever the coordination number of the complex 6, what happens? If we are talking, this is what M. This is M nothing but central metal atom. A, B, C, D, E, F. So that is nothing but 6 different ligand is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different ligand is there. So that is these types of the complex it shows total how many isomer? Total 30 isomer. So these types of the complex show total 30 isomerism. That is the part of this is the 30 out of 30, 50 and 50. This 50 having this is the cis isomerism 12, and this is what the trans isomerism. This trans isomerism shows 3. It is nothing but 12 plus 3 is nothing but 15. Here what? These types of the isomerism is optical isomerism 12. This is the 15 isomerism. So this is what optical isomerism. So that is out of, you can say this is the 30 isomerism. The most important, so one of the question is compulsory asked this types of the example. Your computer exam needs JEE. So that these types of the complexes it shows how many total isomerism, how many geometrical. This is a part of this is the geometrical isomer. This how many geometrical isomer? 15 geometrical isomer and 15 optical isomer. So out of geometrical this what is 12 cis isomer and 3 trans isomer. तो यहाँ पे 30 में से 15 geometrical isomer बताएगा और 15 optical isomer बताएगा. These types of the isomer or complex. So again we are talking about the next types of the isomerism. That is how we are having the metal atom having the coalition number is 4. Here to this is nothing but what MA6. So MA6, these types of the complex do not show the isomerism because there is a different ligand. Second what we are having the M and this what M5 is there and B. So that is the 5 same ligand, similar ligand. That is the types of isomerism is nothing but what it does not show the isomerism. It does not show isomerism. Next we are having this one Ma5. Again if you are having this Ma4B2. These types of the complex shows is what isomerism. How these types of the show this isomerism? If we are having the metal atom, how many ligand? This is the A, again this one A, this one A, and this one B and B. So this is a B2, A4B2. What I can say? A4B2. These types of the complex is nothing but what? This is what? These types of the complex is what? ट्रांस आइसोमर. कौन सा आइसोमर है ये? ट्रांस आइसोमर है. If these types of the complex, one is trans, another is cis. I'm writing this one here. This metal having the 6 ligand is there. How many ligand? 6 ligand is there. I'm writing this AA and this is the B4. It is nothing but what? This cis types of the isomerism. ये ट्रांस आइसोमरिज्म है, ये cis आइसोमरिज्म है. इसमें से अब हमने इसमें से दोनों में से तब cis एंड ट्रांस आइसोमर कौन सा पार्ट है? दिस इज व्हाट ज्योमेट्रिकल. कौन सा आइसोमर? ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर. ये ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर हुआ. अब इसमें से कौन सा आइसोमर, कौन सा एग्जांपल ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर बताएगा? इसमें से ये दोनों में से कौन सा आइसोमर ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर बताएगा? क्या करना पड़ेगा? वेरी सिंपल. अब मैं यहाँ पे आपको बता रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट इज द सिंपल फिनोमेना? इफ वी आर टेकिंग दिस वन ऑफ द हैंड इज देयर. इफ आई आर लुकिंग इन द मिरर, सो दिस लुकिंग टू दिस वे. ओके ना? सो ये हैंड हमने मिरर में देखा तो ऐसा दिखेगा. सो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन? दिस रिलेशन इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? इन एंशोमर, नॉन सुपर इम्पॉसिबल, इन एंशोमर मिरर. तो ऐसा देखेंगे तो डायास्टीरोमर, ऐसा होगा तो इन एंशोमर. दिस इज व्हाट? डायास्टीरोमर. दिस इज व्हाट? इन एंशोमर. दिस इज व्हाट? डायास्टीरोमर. डिफरेंट दिखना चाहिए. कैसा दिखना चाहिए? डिफरेंट दिखना चाहिए. अब यहाँ पे देखना है ये जो हमारे पास कॉम्प्लेक्स है कौन सा? ये ट्रांस आइसोमर और ये सिस आइसोमर. इसमें से दोनों में से कौन सा आइसोमर हमको डिफरेंट दिखेगा, चेंज दिखेगा इन मिरर? देखो इसको हम देखेंगे, ये कॉम्प्लेक्स को हम कभी मिरर में देखेंगे, ये वाला कॉम्प्लेक्स मिरर में देखेंगे तो सेम दिखेगा. नो चेंज. यहाँ पे चेंज नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे इसका कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. सो ये आइसोमर नहीं बताएगा. इफ वी आर लुकिंग टू दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स इन मिरर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब देखो ये दो AA, ये दो लिगेंड, ये सेम लिगेंड सेम साइड पे मतलब क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में है, या आप इसको डेक्स्ट्रो बोलेंगे. क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में है उसको डेक्स्ट्रो बोलेंगे. इसको मिरर में देखेंगे, इस कॉम्प्लेक्स को मिरर में देखेंगे तो वो लियो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बताएगा. चलो यहाँ पे मैं आपको फिर बताऊंगा कैसा दिखेगा. यम ये हमारे पास कॉम्प्लेक्स है। इफ यू आर द लुकिंग ऑफ दिस टाइप्स ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स, कौन सा कॉम्प्लेक्स है ये? दिस इज व्हाट अ सिस आइसोमर। इसको हमने सिस आइसोमर बनाया। सो व्हाट इज द टाइप्स? Na4B2 या A4B2, ये टाइप्स ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स कितने आइसोमर बताएगा? कितने आइसोमर बताएगा? Na4B2। सो दैट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ द कॉम्प्लेक्स आई एम लुकिंग इन द मिरर इमेज। सपोज हम इसको मिरर में देखेंगे, कैसा दिखेगा? So this types of the AA group around not this is the M is odd, this is nothing but odd, this is odd, ligand is the 4 ligand 6 ligand is there. So A and A अब यहाँ पे ऐसा दिखेगा, A and A यहाँ पे दिखेगा, A and A यहाँ पे दिखेगा। So that is what looking this types of the complex। तो यहाँ पे ये clockwise डायरेक्शन है, यहाँ पे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन है। इसको